Another unique feature of Failure Free is that it gives you an opportunity to develop written composition on the part of your student. That can be found in Joseph's Readers in orange and teal, in Verbal Master, all 4 levels, and in Life Skills, all 4 levels, in the form of the writing activities. Again, using the electronic library as a vehicle to demonstrate all of the print materials that you have available to you in downloadable or print fashion, I would go to the Writing Activities button. I would then engage for the Going on a Train Ride story. Now, the writing activities occur at the end of the story. It's very straightforward. It's based on a further use of the words that have been mastered in that story. We always attempt to teach the notion of writing sentences first. So we say write a sentence using each of our 5 new Joseph Readers words that were taught in this story. Remember to use proper capitals and proper pronunciation, periods, question marks, exclamation points that you could discuss with your student and always further reinforce with them throughout at the beginning and the end of each sentence. Be sure to use your best handwriting. So the first sheet that you have deals with the writing of sentences using 5 key words that they have mastered in that particular story. Then we go into what's known as the Kerrigan writing technique that was developed at the University of Kansas Learning Disabilities Center. It's very easy. The first thing that they do is they choose a topic. Now, as it says, read the 3 sentences below. Choose any one of the 3 topic sentences you read. The sentence you choose will be your main idea, the main idea of a new story that you're about to write. Write that topic sentence under the space that says the main idea. Be sure to use your best handwriting. So again, they choose one of these 3 topic sentences. The boy was going to visit his friend. The girls were afraid when all the lights in their neighborhood went out. The family was leaving very early for their vacation. This is a vehicle for you to talk with your students, to have adult language with your students, to expand their thought process, and they would pick the main idea that they are most excited to write about. Then it comes to staying on topic. Then once they pick the main idea, you then ask them to write the story in stages or steps. The first step was choosing the topic, which they've already done. The next step now will involve expanding the story. So you ask them to please write 3 new complete sentences describing 3 different thoughts about the main idea. And you can discuss. You can put it on a whiteboard. You could discuss what a different thought is. You could discuss what similar thoughts are. So you put 1 complete sentence in each space here. And again, you ask them to use their best writing. So they write a main idea here. Then they write 1 thought about that main idea in a complete sentence here. Another thought, about that main idea in sentence 2. And a third thought in sentence 3. Then they go to the final component. And this is now where they rewrite their main idea. Then they write the first thought sentence from sentence 1 here. And then we ask them to write 3 or more new sentences that relate to the thought sentence that they just put down. So we're showing them how to expand in a sequential and logical order. Then when they're done with that, they would then write their thought sentence for sentence 2 and write 3 or 4 more sentences and do the same thing for sentence 3, thought sentence 3, and then 3 or more sentences. This is a vehicle for them to organize their thoughts, to learn how to put it down sequentially, and to write in exposition. I think that you'll enjoy this. It goes a long way. It gives them a framework for future writing activities. So enjoy, use it often. A lot of people forget it's there. Share it with your friends.